Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's find the contact list and tap on the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, as I said. So here we have to tap on edit contact option, and here on this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see right here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Here we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so our gallery or Google Photos. I'll pick the gallery, of course, and give all the permissions. And here we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square and the position of it. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see if they're saving the whole contact, because this area is simply responsible for it. So position it like you want to, and if you're happy, just tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so it is very important to remember to tap on save here. And as you can see, the photo is on the contact, and after getting back you can see it on the contact list. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.